In this video we show how to do instructed classification using Hypercube. First we want to load our cube file, so we go in Open. The cube is already in the desktop, so we go in Desktop, we go in Cube. This largest file is the actual cube to click on. We can click Load, click Continue, and this is our cube. So we see that it is a cube. We can switch between the different bandwidth. At this point, for example, we want to start to instruct the software to recognize with a false color image the position of lithopon. So we go in a function, we go in classify, we click a point, we shift click a point on the lithopon, and then in this window we do click control click on the top left, and then we do shift click on the bottom right. At this point we can click classify, and we do this operation in order to select more pixels so that the software has an average reflectance spectrum from lithopon, rather than just using one only pixel of the image. Okay, we click classify, and the software presents us with this new false color image, which is still in black and white, but lithopon has been identified and colored with this bright red. We can close this image and we can make a more complex instructed classification. We can ask the software to also recognize the position and the presence of cobalt violet. So we go here, again we do shift click a point in cobalt violet, and then over here we want to select more pixels representative of cobalt violet. So we go on the top and we control click, and then we go in the bottom and we shift click. We select all this point, we do classify, and this is the false color image. We see lithopon as before, and now we see also cobalt violet. We can close this image, and we can proceed checking for other pigments. So here we have smalt, so I can shift click a point of smalt, then select more point with the same procedure here, and we do classify. So this is the final image. Let's see what the software could make. So we see lithopon, and then we see cobalt violet, and here is smalt.